I spent my career defending the territorial integrity and constitutional order of the republic. I do not do so to watch men in expensive suits and ministerial motorcades attempt to dismantle the very framework that make Zimbabwe state governed by law rather than by appetite. Sarabina mashoko buda panguva ino tagwa retired Lieutenant General Winston Sigauke Mabranga vachiva vachiti tiri kuzoramba zviri kuda kuitwa nezvigananda kuti vosubscribe like on the bell icon. Anodangira chiti the war veterans of Pindura have reminded us all something essential, that true patriots cannot be bought, that the liberation struggle was not fought so that a handful of political operatives could perpetuate themselves in power beyond the will of the people and the limits of the law. To those orchestrating his assault on our constitution, I say this with the full weight of my rank, my service, and my conscience. Vumai kudzorwa nguva ichipo. Accept correction while there is still time. Retired Lieutenant General Winston Sigauke Mabranga, former officer, Zimbabwe National Army, patriot, constitutionalist, servant of the people. Doma developments ari kuuya panapa chinokarecha vanhu vese across the nation kuti zvaita nemawo veterans ari kubhindura vachiva vachitandanisa ziyambi vachiramba maconstitutional amendments vachiuya panguva inei vachifumura chokwadi vachiti weziyambi basa rako legal and first minister ndiri kudefenda the constitution. You are the first person to be overthrown. Ndouchatanga kukandirwa pasi pebridge ZANU-PF chingoatena ma-amendments awa just because inzozwa kuti hapana kwatingaenda neundoda kuti rimutengese. Your duty was to protect the constitution but you acted against it. Pinda comment section medu zvafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitupo ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.